Hi people, today I wanted to show to you sorry for my voice, how to fix 4K resolution issues when you work with application Softimage. I found the vector solution because you can either use option compatibility. This works okay, but not as good as you think. I found the vector solution. I will show to you. I think I will show to you message first. You can see this. Normally, if you use 4K monitor, your phones will be slow. I found the solution even vector. I try to find the in control on a display options. No. I wonder why they didn't put display options in control panel. Display settings. Because you can type in normally what you can do, you can switch to full HD resolution, and then you can run Softimage. But don't worry, because if you switch back to 4K resolution, your application will have much vector fonts. It will scale down automatically. You can see, because when I was using the different settings, the interface wasn't properly adjusted. For example, I didn't have access to clusters. So you can see we have clear fonts selection. I just have to clear up history a bit. Okay, render options. Render options. You can see our fonts, my interface is clean, fonts are clean. Okay, I'm using Cycles render engine. So you can use graphics card in Softimage application. What you must install. I will show to you what version of Cycles render plugin. But this tutorial was mainly about how to resize the interface for 4K resolution updated version. But plus bonus, if you want to use Blender's renderer engine, you can go to some Softimage add-ons and download Cycles Render Engine, because this is free and open source, so it has native resolution. And I hope you like my video tutorial, because this render plugin allows you to use graphics card like RTX 2080 within application Softimage. And see you guys.